If you've been searching for a Garmin blood pressure monitor review and wondering whether Garmin smartwatches can actually track blood pressure accurately, you're not alone. A lot of people are asking if devices like the Garmin Vivosmart 5 paired with the Garmin Index BPM are legit health tools or just another overhyped wearable trend. After wearing it consistently for 2 weeks and digging through hundreds of real user experiences across forums and retail listings, here's the straight answer. It's impressive for tracking trends, but it's not a replacement for a medical-grade cuff.
We don't promote this video in any way. This video is only for educational purpose.
Let's start with what Garmin actually does well. The biggest strength is long-term trend tracking. Instead of obsessing over one random reading, the system shows patterns over days and weeks. That's where it shines. Users love seeing stress spikes, recovery dips, and workout impacts mapped out clearly in the app. For runners, gym-goers, and busy professionals, the convenience factor is huge. You're not wrapping a cuff around your arm multiple times a day. It fits into your routine. Battery life in standard fitness mode is solid, and syncing health reports to share with your doctor is simple. From a lifestyle and fitness perspective, that's a strong win. Now let's talk about the red flags, because this is where expectations need to be realistic. Wrist-based readings can shift noticeably depending on arm position, movement, or even sweat. Some users report differences of 15 to 25 mmHg compared to traditional cuffs. That's not minor. It's also important to understand that these readings are estimates and not a substitute for clinically validated upper arm monitors. If you have hypertension or need precise numbers for medical decisions, this alone should make you cautious. A few users also mention occasional app sync glitches and faster battery drain when frequent monitoring is enabled. So, is Garmin worth it? If your goal is fitness tracking, stress awareness, and general blood pressure trends, it's a strong option. If you need diagnostic-level accuracy, stick with a medical-grade device. It's a helpful wellness tool, but it's not your doctor.